Good morning, dear student. Today we will study chapter 12 Adverbs formation. Dear students, today we will know about how adverbs forms. Okay, how formation of adverbs. Dear students, there is some rules by which we should know how adverb forms. Okay. Please pay attention to understand it. Rule number one. Rule number one is most adverbs are formed by generally adding ly to the adjective. Rule number one is most adverbs adding by ly formed. Okay, we can see here some example. Okay, quick, we add here ly. Okay, it becomes quickly. Slow, we will add ly. It becomes slowly. What? It becomes slowly. Okay. In this way, most adverbs are formed. And now we will see Rule 2. What is Rule 2? When an adjective ends in y. When any adjective ends in y, we change the y into I. We change y into I and add ly to form adjective. Okay, when an adjective ends in y, we change y into I and we add ly. Here we see some examples. Happy ends with y, it changes into I, and again we add ly, it becomes happy. What will it become? It becomes happy. Understand? And now we'll see rule number 3. When an adjective ends in a consonant plus le, we just replace the e with y. When any adjectives, second letter is adjective and it is e, we will remove this e and add y. It becomes original. Okay. Now rule number 4. If an adjective ends in IC, we normally form that verb by adding ALY. Like IC ends with IC, we add AYY, it becomes vesicle. AYY, vesicle. Understand? In this way, but there is exception. Public, we will add only ly publicly. Okay. Rule number 6. And now rule number 5. We cannot form adverbs from adjectives that ends in ly. The adjectives which already have ly do not change, like ugly, friend. Understand? Do not change it. Rule number 6. There are many adverbs have in the same forms as adjective as adverb. There is same form as adjective as adverb. There are some hard, straight, far, near, early, late, fast, left, right, just, opposite, pretty. Like this, these are same as adjective as adverb. Rule number 7. Some of the adverbs are not related to adjectives at all. They are not related to adverbs related to at all. Like this, here, quite, very, now. Okay. Dear students, I hope you have understood this explanation. If you feel any difficulty, you can contact me without any hesitations. Okay. Till then, thank you. Have a nice day.